Hi, I'm Brian Hart Hoffman. Today, I'm sharing my tips and tricks with you for cake decorating using my collection of fluted cake pans and cake mixes available exclusively at Williams-Sonoma. There are 3 things to keep in mind when decorating your cakes: technique, glazes, and toppings. When using the Avion pan, keep the glaze thick and apply it with a spoon. The spoon gives you the most control, letting you guide each glossy ribbon of glaze just where you want it. Use a piping bag with the Chateau pan. The bag helps you trace each curve cleanly and fill the grooves just so. Add a soft snowfall to the fudgy brownie cake. A soft snowfall of confectioner sugar sifted through a fine mesh sieve brings out the sculpted beauty of the pan and adds a delicate sweetness to each slice. Finish the apple cinnamon donut cake with a really thin glaze to keep that donut vibe alive. And the best part is you're gonna use a pastry brush for this. Keep the fun going by adding more toppings. You can use sprinkles or chocolate chips or anything you're craving.